to another video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to trade ETFs on Gates.io, Gate Exchange. Of course, you can also use this method on KuCoin. That's another place you can find ETFs. ETFs is short form for exchange traded funds. Now these ETFs, and they are not the tokens in itself, they're not the cryptos in itself. They are simple, more like they give you exposure to the underlying asset. Now let me look at this place. Now you see in these categories you see ETF. Now under the ETF, now you see a list of tokens. You're seeing EOS, ETH5S, EOS5L, ETH5L. Now I'll explain what this thing is. Now this does not mean, when you see ETH5S, it doesn't mean that this is Ethereum in itself. It's just giving you exposure to the underlying asset. Now we all know that the cryptocurrency space is very volatile. It can go up and down, and then in order to maximize this going up and down, you trade margin. You do leverage trading or futures trading, whereby you predict whether the cryptocurrency will go up or it will come down, so that you can enter the trade accordingly. Of which, if you predict wrongly, or the market takes you by surprise and goes against you, you will get liquidated if you don't have your risk management, like stop loss, in place. Now what stop loss does for you is to help minimize your loss. Of course, you have some kind of loss, but it's going to be really minimal. But in the place of ETFs or leverage tokens, you can find leverage tokens on Poloniex, and then ETFs on KuCoin, on Gate.io. You can also see leverage tokens here, the one that have the bulls and the bear. So what it means is that you're trading, these tokens are now separated. Now instead of trading and you can trade these tokens, what we call stable coins. You can trade this token instead of when you predict that BTC will go up, you trade BTC long. Now let me use this ETH here for example. As you can see now, this ETH5S is on loss because Ethereum in itself is actually going up. Now if you look at this price, now this is not like the real price of Ethereum, it's just an ascribed price to this particular product. So you're predicting that Ethereum, right now Ethereum is doing well. Let me show you. Now look at the difference. ETH5S and ETH5L is on profit, while ETH5S is on loss. ETH5S means the ETH there is the name of the token, the underlying assets. The 5 means 5x, like you will trade on your futures on your margin. 5x. Why the S means short? It means that you're shorting. If you're going to trade, maybe let's just say for example now, by tomorrow now Ethereum might be dipping, might be going down. You will come here and then you trade ETH5S. It means that you're trading you're shorting Ethereum using 5x leverage. So now there are different tokens. Look at BTC5S. It means that BTC has been going up a bit because BTC5S is down, while BTC5L is up. It's 9% up. BTC 5S is 17% down. Now the advantage of this thing is that you do not get liquidated. You can't get liquidated. So of course, if you predict wrongly, you'll be on loss, but you're not going to get liquidated. Your trade will start recovering back again when the trade is back in profit. When the trade is back in profit. So let's use one as an example. And what do you use to do this trade? You use deposit USDT. So let's just say for example now the market is being volatile, it's going up, down, up, down, up, down. It's not really going the way you want it. You can trade that volatility by trading this. So the point of doing ETFs is not for long-term trading. You don't trade ETFs for long-term. You trade them to maximize the volatility in the market. That is very short-term. So you can trade them and maybe you're targeting that you're going to be making 5% of your money every day. So when you make 5%, you leave. Make 5% every day, you leave. So it's better. So this is a way to just simply accumulate your profit every day. You simply go down. There's so many tokens here for you to use: LTC, BSV, 1inch, Link, Uni, BCH, Dodge. Tons of tokens for you to for you to predict. So the ones on green now are mostly the ones on long, the one that have L, meaning that the tokens are long, meaning that tokens are going up. So to trade it now, you first of all you deposit USDT, the amount of USDT you want to use. So after depositing the amount of USDT you want to use, you come and click. Let us use ETH5L. You go to ETH5L. You go to trade. You click on the stand. Now what you are doing, remember, you're doing this to your trade like a normal spot trading. So you're taking profits going up, whether long or short. You're taking profits going up. So you have only 2 orders on Gate.io. That's limit on a time condition. So there is only limit order. So what you should do here is you have USDT in your balance, and then you click on since you're buying, you click on the order, one of the orders on the sell part, and then you click 100%, and then you click buy. After your order has successfully filled up, you come to sell immediately. Just like now, since it's 0.001, me, since I'm not looking for much profit, I'll just make it maybe 0.0015. When it's in 1.5, it will sell off for me. I'll just put 0.0000015, and then I click my 100%, and then I click sell. When the price moves up and gets 0.0015, it will sell off for me. So the point here is to predict if the coin going to go up. If it's going to go up, you look for the L of that token. If it does go down, you look for the S of that token. Do you understand? L and the S, that's meaning long and short. So you are longing 5S of that token, and you're shorting 5S of that token. So you're not directly trading the token. You're trading the underlying asset. You're getting exposure to the underlying assets. So you are trading with minimized risk, not the full volatility risk. So this is one way to compound profits gradually, daily, trading the volatility of the market. So do you have questions? Was this video helpful? So remember what I said. How do you identify it here? Under the ETF category, you will see the different tokens. The 5 and the S or L, 5S, 5L indicates the leverage and the whether you're going long or short. Of course, you can also see 3. 3 also means you're doing 3x leverage. 5 means 5x leverage. So the number there is showing you the amount of leverage you're being exposed to. So just note that, and the prices here are not like the prices of the real assets. These are the prices of these underlying assets. You're making profits trading them like you would do normal spot trading, but you are predicting, oh, link is going to go up. You come here and then you trade link like you would, as if you're doing it on futures. But this one, the risk of liquidation is reduced. And if you predicted wrongly and the markets are going against you, of course the value of what you have will be dropping. But like just like in spot trading, unless you close the trading loss, you are in an impermanent loss. So you can still wait for it back to recover back up, and then you still recover back your money. So I hope this video was helpful to help you trade ETFs or even leverage tokens. I have a video here on leverage tokens on OKEx exchange. Like even here too has leverage tokens like the bull and the bears. Let's look at the bull. Let's look at the available bulls here. The BTC bull, EOS bull, SRP bull, and then the bear, BTC bear, ETH bear, EOS bear, SRP bear. So this can be super helpful. Instead of losing money to getting liquidated, you can try your hands at this exchange traded funds, the ETFs tokens. That will just simply give you exposure. You're not trading you're trading the token directly. So just simply need to deposit USDT and then you trade these tokens. So thank you.